Friends, most English learners get stuck. Why does this happen to us? So friends, welcome back. This is Alam. I am from Jharkhand and welcome back my YouTube channel, and today is day 29 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. So friends, today topic is very simple and very powerful for improve your English, and I can say it is a very helpful for English learners. Friends, when we start our English learning journey, we start with confidence and curiosity. Okay, but slowly that curiosity is not there anymore. In the beginning, we start with confidence, hope, a clear direction, a positive mindset, and a strong purpose. At that time, we think English speaking is very easy. Okay, but when we actually start learning, we understand that English is not easy for us. And my friends, do you know why we start thinking English is difficult? Because our direction changes. Okay, first we start learning from one institute or on YouTube channel, YouTube teacher. Okay, but nowadays it is the time of social media, and we watch many different type of videos from different teachers. Yeah, it's really happen with us because of different type of videos and a teacher we confuse. Okay, then we get confused and we start thinking that English is very difficult, but it's your mindset, it's my mindset. Okay, my friends, because of this confusion most English learner give up. Yeah, of course, you heard right. But my friends, if you wanted to speak English with confidence, even if you make mistake, don't worry, mistakes are part of learning. First of all, select one institute or one YouTube teacher whom you like. It doesn't matter who is your favorite teacher or not, whom you like. Okay, then start your learning journey with them and follow only that one teacher and that path. Okay, friends, remember one thing, only one a teacher cannot teach you everything. Okay, you also need hard work, sacrifice and consistency. Every morning when you wake up, before getting out of your bed, ask yourself one question: what is my purpose today, and will today be a productive day or not for me? Okay, so then start learning English with hope, confidence and discipline. Also, discipline is a very important for doing anything. Okay, but make English your first priority, not your last option. My friends, English learning is a journey, not a race. It needs consistency, patience and focus. Yeah, of course, stay focused on your goal and never compare yourself with others. We are comparing with others, myself, why I cannot do, and what's my fault, I am not doing that. So it's our hope and it's our thinking, but actually the main problem is, if you are consistent, one day you will say proudly, and yes, I can speak English. Okay, so this is my topic for 29 days. Okay, because my friends, I created 28 videos already. If you didn't watch my videos, please, my all previous videos you can watch on my YouTube channel. And only it's not a problem English learners, it's happen beginning time. Okay, so progress is slowly, but quitting make it zero. Okay, and consistency is more powerful than motivation. Motivation is not a can change your brain, but yeah, it's a method of your consistency, and you can improve your journey by motivation. So motivation also we needs. Okay, but one teacher, one method and one direction. Okay, mistake means you are trying, and Speak daily, even if 5 minutes, and even if it is imperfect. Okay, no problem. You are making mistake, no problem. But it's your learning journey. Okay, so English improve with confidence and practice daily, not with fear. Be confidence, be positive mindset. Okay, and you are English learner. So if you are watching this video, so please I request to you watch full video and comment me how is my learning journey, because also I am an English learner and I am not any teacher, I am not any motivational speaker, but I want to improve my English. That's why I use and I have to take this direction for improve my English. You know that we are belong to village and villager doesn't know English. That's why I have to make this video. Okay, so friends, if you comment me, then I will be motivated for next journey. Okay, so I hope you are getting my point and you are English learner, so please don't waste your time watching any videos. And we no need many types of video, many types of teacher for improve our English, for learning English. We have to select only one person, one teacher, one videos you can improve your English. And we have to follow consistency, and we have to follow some direction. So I will explain to my next video which type of direction I have to follow for improve our English. And if you are watching this video, so please like and comment. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you.